Hello everyone, good morning. So today what are we going to do today? Today we are going to meet a new sound. Yes, today we are going to do a new sound, but before that, let's quickly do the speed sounds. So my turn, your turn. J, j, y, y, special friend, a, a, w, w, sh, sh, special friend, sh, sh, and here comes the new sound. T, t, t. So this is a special friend. Yes, this is a special friend. Yes, and special friend are always underlined. Yes, special friends are always underlined. So, you know what? Why do we call it special friend? Yes, why do we call it special friend? Because these two sounds make one sound. Yes, because these two sounds make one sound. Th, th, t, and h together makes th. T and h together makes the sound th. Th, th. Your turn. Th. And let's see the objects with the sound th. Th, th, thick, thick, thick. Th, th, thank, thank you. Th, th, thank. Th, th, three, three. Th, th, three. Th, th, thumb, thumb. Th, th, thumb. Th, th, think, th, th, think, think. And now we are going to trace th in the air. So show me your imaginary pencil up in the air. Alright, superb. So let's start. Down the tower, cross the tower. Down the head to the hooves and over his head. And together makes the sound th. Yes, th. One more time. Down the tower, across the tower, down the head to the hooves, over his head. Special friend? Yes, and special friend are always underlined. Yes. And now we are going to trace it on the board. And now we are going to trace it on the board. So get ready with your board, or you can take plain paper. Alright, so let's trace th. Down the tower, cross the tower. Down the head to the hooves and over his head. Special friend and special friend are always underlined. Yes? Yes? And now let's learn how to write with these lines. How to write with these lines. So now we are going to start with the sun line. Yes, we are going to start with the sun line. Come down, touch the water line, make a curve, and let's make a sleeping line over here. Now again, start from the sun line, come down, touch the water line, go upward, touch the boat line and make a curve and come down. Th, th, th. And now it's time to do Fred talk. Yes, it's time to do Fred talk. Now it's time to do Fred talk. Yes, and Fred can only speak in sound. Absolutely right. Fred can only speak in sound, and you are going to tell me the whole word. So, are you all ready? Yes, superb, everyone. So, first say hello to Fred. Hello, Fred. Hello, everyone. So, the first word is yes. Let me show you. Th, I, nk. Th, I, nk. Think, think, think. And how many special friends do we have in think? Absolutely right. 2 special friends. Th, nk. Think. Think. All right. Th, I, k. Th, I, k. Thick. 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 All right. Let me show you the next word. Th, I, n. Th, I, n. Thin. 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 Th, a, m, b. Thumb. 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 Well done, everyone. Thank you.